time what?
Of course.
Hi, Dave and Rosie. We thought that.
What is it? Chocolate?
Well, it better be food. What is it?
Chicken color.
Oh, hey.
Clip. She
Probably.
give some make something. Yeah. She give said for make some.
Oh.
Ui. don't make video. No, have to make something. What you say?
I bought.
I
buy.
bought.
I buy.
I bought.
I bought is
You bought
past
a
new car.
car.
I bought a new car.
Judy can open. I don't have home food. If I have home, I need to cook. So when she come visit, Papa,
What's
sorry,
this?
can I say, I don't know, Demon, if we have home, nothing, only we have to buy many, I mean, more than 2 rooms for take care.
Oh yeah, I gotta take care of that. If Karen and Judy want to visit. Oh, to-do list. I need this.
What
Really,
is this?
to do. It's you write what you need to do that day. These are people you need to call. There's things you need to do.
For
Magnet.
food.
For fridge.
Yeah.
Well, I think.
For you, same I give you paper
Yeah.
for food.
Yeah,
But this
for fridge, a magnet. You could put anything. This, what do you think?
Both. No. What do you say?
A treat. Treat means something good to eat.
Chocolate.
Or, yeah, I bet you. Assorted chocolates. It says right there. Oh. What are those?
Ding dong, she give. I kills one.
Oh, See's candies. Ah, nice.
Have to keep everything about frame. You keep Papa. When you have home, you have to put some price. You know. What is this? Can open. Oh.
Ah, more candy. Oh, there's what did I say? See's candy. I think we send Karen and Judy one of these.
Next time for be good.
We send in a box. Next time.
I only turn.
Yeah.
I do better next time.
Thank you, Karen and Judy.
This for you. Food.
Well, yeah, organize. Oh, she made those.
Why I talk cutting board? She make. She don't buy.
A little variety is good. Hope you two are doing good. And I'm happy to hear you can get away in September and October.
This car. We buy this car.
Van? Is that a van?
Nah, same. Same color too.